Vedic Maths explains to us how we can easily multiply two-digit numbers by the criss-cross method. So let's see the example. We have to multiply 23 by 12. The two numbers that we have to multiply. First of all, we will multiply the number of their unit place. Here the number of unit place is 3 and 2. So we will do 3 into 2. 6. Let's write it in the form of steps. So what will be our step 1? 3 into 2, 6. Write 6 in your answer like this. Now we have to cross multiply. Here we will multiply 2 by 2 and 3 by 1. You will cross multiply like this and add the two numbers that you get. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 1 is 3. 4 plus 3 will be 7. Let's write it in the form of steps. Now write 7 in your answer like this. As the last step, you have to cross multiply the second digit of this number or the digit of this number. Here the number we have is 2 and 1. Multiplying these two numbers will give us 2. This is our step 3. Write 2 in your answer like this. 276. Your answer is ready in front of you. Let's see another example. Now we have to multiply 21 by 14. First of all, we will multiply the number of unit place. The number of unit place is 1 and 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Write 4 in your answer like this. After that you have to cross multiply 2 into 4 and 1 into 1. Write 9 in your answer like this. As the last step, you have to cross multiply the second digit of this number or the digit of this number. 2 into 1 is 2. Write 2 in your answer like this. 294. Your answer is ready in front of you. Let's move ahead and see another example. We have to carry in this example. Let's see how we can solve such questions by criss-cross method. First of all, we will multiply the number of unit place. This is our step 1. 3 into 4 is 12. 12 is a two-digit number. We will keep 2 here and carry 1. Now we will cross multiply. In cross multiplication, we will do 2 into 4 and 3 into 1. 2 into 4 is 8 and 3 into 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. But we have already carried 1 here, which we will add in 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. We will write 2 of 12 in our answer and carry 1. Now as the last step, we have to cross multiply the number of unit place of this number. 2 into 1 is 2. But because we have already carried 1, so we will add it. 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Write 3 in your answer. 322 is the answer in front of you. Let's move ahead and see another question. Now we have to multiply 26 by 36. First of all, we will go to the number of unit place. In unit place, both sides have 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. This is our step 1. Now we have to cross multiply. Then we will add the two numbers. 2 into 6 is 12 and 6 into 3 is 18. When we add both, we get 30. But we have already carried 3 here, which we will add in 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. We will carry 3 of 33 and write 3 in our answer. Now we have to cross multiply the digits of 10th place. 10th place digits are 2 and 3. We will do 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. But we have already carried 3, which we will add in 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Write 9 in your answer. Your answer is ready in front of you, 936, but perfection will come. So practice these sums and get perfection in Vedic Maths. Thanks for watching.